Welcome to our 1975 Shasta vintage camper. If you didn't catch the first video, we just bought this guy. Actually, it was a year ago. We bought it a year ago in the fall. We weren't expecting to buy it, but the price, we couldn't pass it up. It was $1,700 and the timing might not have been right for us. So on the last video, if you catch that one, you'll see that we got it. It was way more of an adventure getting it home than we would have expected. But we brought it home and basically winterized it, which was a total adventure that we had no idea we were getting in for. But we're wedding photographers, and between that and winter, we just now opened it up this fall and we are renovating.
So far it looks pretty good. The reason it looks so tilted toward the front is because I was an idiot and I backed into the corner a little bit with the van, like right around here. And that was actually already like that. So it hit somewhere here, but clearly didn't do a thing. Yeah, I think the tape worked pretty decent. Except now this is stuck in the ground. It was jacked up on this. And now it's in the mud, so I'm going to figure out a way to get it level again. It's looking much better now. I got it jacked up. Jacked on the frame up there, and then resettled this part of the trailer in there, and you can actually tell it's, I think this one's broken side by side, but it's not that big a deal. But there's actually a built-in level. Can't really tell, but it is perfect. So that should help with that should help when we do the roof. If we put stuff on there that's self-leveling, it won't all run to one side. Now let's take a peek inside and see what it looks like. Is that mouse poop? It's definitely mice poop in here. So I vacuumed this whole thing out. Some spider webs. Looks pretty decent. Some spider webs and drains. There's some mice getting in here. Good though, I don't think any water got in. That's the main issue. Is there was water getting in here. But that looks pretty good. Got spider webs.
And the first thing we need to do is clean it. There were clearly some mice who lived in here when we bought it, and they left little surprises all over, so. What broke?
Well, maybe not. I don't know. I've definitely started caving in though.
Oops.
My main concern is the roof, which, I mean, it's in okay shape for being 50 years old. Look at that, it's not even rotted. It's a good sign.
Hey, a shout out to each of you guys who threw some names out there for our camper. At the end of this video, we're gonna share which name we chose.
Really?
Yeah, dude, it's called a cassette toilet. Wanna sit on it and take a little poo-poo?
Why am I behind your face?
This is what you practice on when you were a little baby.
No, wait.
Remember you had a little toilet, a toy
It's
toilet?
more plastic. It was probably like pink.
This is made for small butts.
Yeah. Oh, there's bugs in
This thing shattered when I see it. Oh yeah, it kind of worked.
So this is how it's gone. Basically, Andy like looks into stuff, he discovers something new on the RV, and then he Googles what on earth is going on.
Moment of truth. We haven't yet to test this. We're plugging the RV into our house. We'll see if anything works. We got the fire extinguisher just in case it does.
Good call, babe.
Alright, what should I test first? How do I even turn this light on? Is this it?
Well, that didn't work. How about try this fan cord?
Well, let's try the other light. The lights are more fun.
Oh no.
Is that even the light switch? They painted the outlet silver. Yeah. Maybe there's like a master switch or something.
Alright, so far no electricity. Hey, we've got lights.
Oh, we got lights. That's cool. Oh, here's. We got 2 lights. Look how cool that is. Let's see if this one works.
It's electric. Boogie, 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 boogie.
Holy crap. 3 out of 3. I totally thought like one would be broken. That's how everything usually is.
3 out of 3.
It's a good sign. Let's see if this thing works.
What thing? Oh.
Oh.
Yeehaw, cowboy.
That's sweet. That's cool.
Things are getting real.
Dude, that's cool. So now we can actually live in here.
Yay!
I mean, kind of.
Jill, ready for backup?
I had a pretzel.
You haven't eaten all day.
I had a pretzel and like some cheese. How's that?
Well, then I'm glad I brought it.
Thank you, honey.
You're welcome, boo. RV life, huh?
I got most of this cut out. Yeah, look at that.
Ooh,
Look at this. It's soaking wet.
not good.
There's the roof. It's terrible.
Somehow I feel like I should have a mask on too.
Yeah, it's not that bad, but it's still pretty bad. I think it was built like a bathtub. I think there was a bathtub shower right here. There's a hot and cold. There's like holes for hot and cold here. Mm-hmm. And then there was a bath. That's where the toilet was. That's where it goes to the like black water and gray water.
Yeah.
So it was like a full bathroom. And that was the closet. Because that's why you have a little door there.
Alright, you're saying there's even a light.
Yeah, there's a light. There's a cute little like
Ding.
cute little window with frosted glass.
Oh yes. For privacy.
And look, there's even a fan too. So when you're showering, you can, it's not hooked up to anything, but you can, yeah, cool.
I think we're sticking to no water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Compost toilet.
Mm-hmm. Andy just told me to get out of bed, throw on some clothes. We have to cover up the RV. It has holes in it, so we're still working on it before a storm comes. So here goes Operation Tarp. So after working on this camper, Andy and I were both actually thinking the same name. And one of you had the same thing in your mind. It might seem obvious, but it's Sunny. It's like a 70s name and it looks like sun rays on it. And how can you go wrong with a sunny vibe? Well, hey, we got some stuff done. We did some cleaning. We got the roof partially sealed up. And obviously we have a lot more to do. Check us on the next one for more of our adventure, and if you haven't seen the first one, when we picked this cutie up, you might want to check out part 1 too.